Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm showing you how to make this delicious chicken stir fry that is perfect for your wraps, perfect for a side, pairs well with potatoes, anything you like, not only for wraps, but it is really delicious. So I'm going to be using frozen meat today, frozen chicken. However, you can use fresh chicken. If you're using fresh chicken, it's going to be easier and quicker to cook. Because I'm using frozen chicken, I'm going to add a little bit of water to defrost the chicken and as well as cooking the chicken. I allow the chicken to boil. We're going to add the seasonings later till it's cooked properly. So you need to make sure that the chicken is cooked properly till all the water is reduced. Once the water is reduced, you're going to slice your chicken. You can slice it, dice it, whatever you like to do. Then in a pot of hot oil, you add in your onions. You can use red onions, white onions, whatever floats your boat. As always, all the ingredients will be in the link in the description. And please make sure if you like the video so far, please give me a like and subscribe. It really helps my channel out, so that would be really appreciated. Once you have fried the onions, you're gonna add in your sliced chicken. Then you're gonna season the chicken with chicken powder, chili powder, and a little bit of salt. Please adjust the seasonings to your own taste, but I think these three make the best chicken stir fry. Give everything a good mix. Once you've mixed all the seasoning into the chicken, add in your bell peppers and give a good mix. You can use fresh or frozen. Once everything is mixed, I'm going to quickly show you how I build my own wrap. Now, there's no wrong or right way to do this. However, I toasted my tortilla wrap. Then I'm going to add in the chicken. And I'm also going to add in some fresh vegetables such as cucumber and tomatoes. Kind of messed up in that part, but cucumber, tomatoes, and then barbecue sauce. I personally don't eat barbecue sauce, so this is for my brother. But you can choose to add any sauces you like, sriracha, ketchup, whatever you like, and make it your own. But all I've got to say, if you have this chicken for your base, you're set because it's delicious. Then you've got your base for any wrap. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share with others. And I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless you all.